here. I've been getting quite a few emails and whatnot. Sorry, must have had a misstart there, about what affiliate marketing actually is. So I thought I'd make a quick video, explain all about what affiliate marketing is. So basically, affiliate marketing, what happens is you have, what we're getting paid to do is to actually promote other people's products. So the likes of iTunes, they have their own affiliate marketing bits in, so you can actually sell off the iTunes offers and all the rest of it. Max Bounty, which is a network, and Builderall, which is another network. There's loads of them. So basically, what we're doing, we're getting paid to promote other people's products. So when somebody buys the other person's product, we get paid. So say, for example, with the likes of this one here, Convert Stillwater Pool, Aim and Subway. So these will pay you $2 per lead. Now the $2 per lead, just for getting their email address and name, sounds pretty good. What it is, this company knows that they're going to make a lot more money on the back end, so they don't mind paying you £2 for every single person who you send over to them, which is pretty good for you. Your whole job basically is to build an email list, and then once you see an offer like this, you can send out your entire email list, like this one here, £10 a lead, £3 a lead, £60 a lead. Madness. So what you do is you're actually getting people interested in buying other people's products. Now, you're actually looking for the psychology of the buyers, so you're going to make them a nice landing page, something that tempts them, and better still, something that solves a problem that they have. For example, somebody might want to see how a drone works, so therefore you send them this offer. £60 lead, not too bad at all. So that would all be built off your email list. Now you can build websites and whatnot as well. As you probably know, I tend to use Builderall, which has an awful lot of tools, and in fact the tools are ridiculous. But I'm on building my team, so if anybody's looking for an affiliate team to join, get full training and whatnot with me as well. Not actually with me presenting the whole thing as well, which is a bigger bonus. So that's basically what it is. Now, back in the olden days, you used to go for, say, a mortgage broker or buy a new car, and the car dealer would say to you, look, if you get somebody coming to me, I'll give you £100, or I'll knock £100 off your next car purchase. I've got a tattoo shop. We still do that with a tattoo shop. If they recommend any friends, we'll give them a discount off their tattoo. Affiliate marketing is exactly the same as that. Only difference is that you're doing it from the computer and you're doing it from the comfort of your own home, which means that you can sit at home all day, or sit on the beach all day, or do whatever you fancy, and basically sell. It's that simple. The sell is pretty simple, but we'll go through that in different tutors. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you understand a little bit what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, just ask. I'm always on, I'm always about. And good luck. Cheers. Goodbye.